Welcome back to DeLorean Rental. Today, we've got an amazing episode. A truly incredible DeLorean Time Machine replica is now available for auction on eBay, and this one was built by the best in the business, the Time Cobblers. Inspired by the legendary DeLorean Time Machine from Back to the Future, this build represents the highest level of screen accuracy you'll ever find. Every component on this car has been carefully recreated and matched to the original movie car, down to the smallest details. From the placement of the zip ties securing wiring, the iconic flux bands running across the body, the glowing time circuits inside the cockpit. Every element has been designed to match exactly what you see on screen. This craftsmanship is truly next level. The exterior features unmistakable Mr. Fusion, intricate wiring, vents, tubing, and hardware that make the DeLorean Time Machine one of the most recognizable vehicles in cinematic history. Even the smallest details, the brackets, the cabling, connectors, mounting points have all been replicated to mirror the original movie prop. Step inside and you'll find the famous time circuit display, switches, and controls that make this car feel it just rolled straight out of Hill Valley. This isn't just a replica, it's a rolling piece of movie history. Whether you're a serious collector, a movie car enthusiast, or someone looking for the ultimate showpiece, or maybe just to build a business, this may be one of the most accurate DeLorean time machines ever recreated. And right now, it's available on eBay. The full eBay listing is listed in the description below. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own time machine, this might be your only moment. Because if you're going to build a time machine, why not do it with some style?